Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we'll demonstrate how to make Telegram stickers. First, open Settings and go to the Stickers and Emoji section. Tap on Add Stickers and type in the new pack command. Choose a name for your sticker pack. Now upload the sticker you want to add, sending it as a file, not as a photo. The image must be in PNG format, fit 512 by 512 dimensions, and be no more than 512 kilobytes. Send the corresponding emoji for the sticker. The sticker has been successfully added to your pack. You can add more or publish it. Type the publish command, set a custom icon if you like, and provide a short name for your pack. Once published, you can open it, and the sticker pack will be available. You can now send it to anyone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and bye.